So this is about how the principal position relates to Fourier series. So the principle of superposition states that multiple outputs, so represented as x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, and we can have more, from multiple, we have this input, so we have multiple inputs, and this input go through this linear system. So linear transfer function. And when they go through, we'll have some output for corresponding to each input. So after x2 goes in through the linear function, we'll have y2, y3, y4, y5. And we can combine all these output together and into a one output. So it states that the principle of superposition states that multiple outputs from multiple inputs that went through this linear system transfer function can be added together to produce a total output. So in order to get an output of complex periodic function, let's say we have this, and this complex periodic function that looks like a box, and this is actually going to consist of lots of harmonics. We know this the sine or cosine was something, and BAN plus BN cosine, something like that. No. Okay. So we'll have something like this, and for this one, we'll have almost infinite of the harmonics of this, according to the Fourier series. So, Fourier series. And so if you only get an output of this complex periodic function, we can divide this of this complex function. We can divide this complex function with according to the Fourier series, and we'll have this a multiple or even infinite number of these harmonics, and then we can get the output. So we have multiple inputs like of these harmonics, and we can get the output corresponding to each input, and we can get all these outputs together and add them up to get one single input. So to get an output of this complex periodic functions, we can divide the complex periodic function into multiple harmonics according to the Fourier series, and then get the output for each inputs, and add the outputs together to get a total output of the complex periodic function.